Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we are doing a what fits in the large Coach Rowan, and this is the color Maple. Y'all, I have been in and out of this bag since I got it, and I did that because I wanted to see how it carried with an organizer and without an organizer. So as you see, I have it fully accessorized and dressed. And I thought about leaving it like this just in case I want to move back into it. And that way it'll be much quicker and easier to do it at any time. And I am going to switch out of this bag and switch into finally my Windsor Tasha drawstring. So I am going to do that all in this video. But just to show you how the bag actually sits and looks. It has the organizer in it now. So when you pick it up, let me kind of raise it up so you can see how it looks when I pick it up. Of course, there's no slouch or anything like that. It's pretty sturdy. And let me show you what it looks like inside with the organizer. And I got it from the organizer from Amazon. I got it when it was on sale, it might have been like Cyber Monday or something, but I have an idea it's still the same price, but I will definitely double check for you all. So this is how I have it packed, with the notebook on the side, my wallet, wristlet, and probably would help if I bring the camera back down. Larger wristlet, and then a kiss lock and a squeeze pouch. So that's how it looks with the organizer in it. I wondered if it would be heavier or not, even though the organizer is pretty light. And I'll just start taking everything out so that you all can see how it looks without the organizer. I thought it was heavy because of how the organizer was in here, but I'm like, the organizer isn't that heavy, so that can't be it. And it really didn't make a difference with the weight, whether I had the organizer or not. And I'm going to show you what it looks like without the organizer, and then that way you all can let me know what your preference is. If you prefer to have an organizer in your bag or not. It already is kind of slouching now. And this is the organizer. And it has like an additional piece that can be added in the center of it. It has the side compartments here. And you see the Velcro here. So this can just stick to the Velcro inside of there. Or take it out. So if you all haven't seen an organizer before, of course many of you have. And it has a zipper there. And then inside pockets, and a full slip pocket on this side. But I do like that you can take this piece in and out of the organizer. So, and I got this from Amazon, y'all. I left the tag on it. This is the brand of it. But I'll try to link it in the description. It was like $9, if I'm not mistaken. Depending on the color. Some of them were like $20, depending on the color and the size. But I think this one is a medium. And it says that it fits a Speedy 30. And at first I thought, well, maybe it'll be too big for it. But I said, well, if it's too big, I can always use it inside of a tote. So I went ahead and got that size according to the measurements. And it worked out. So let's see, y'all. And if this is your first time watching my video and you feel like you may want to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And thank you so much, and welcome back to all of my current subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate everybody. So this is how it looks, y'all, without the organizer. Everything still fits in here, the same items, and I usually just throw my phone on top. So it's not slouching, but let me raise it up so you can see how it looks when I lift it. It kind of shifts a little bit when I lift it. You can kind of see a little slouch down the back. It's not a huge difference, but the main difference I noticed was when I put it on my shoulder. So when I did use my shoulder strap for it, it seemed like it made it kind of go inward some, like the sides, if that makes sense. But it really just depends on your preference. I'm kind of good either way. If you do prefer to like just kind of throw your items in the bag, especially when you're on the go, then probably without an organizer would work better for you. But if you do prefer for your bag to have more structure, and you have that time to make sure when you put it in, you're actually sliding it in the correct section or whatever inside of the bag, then the organizer would be the way to go. But I think I like the organizer to carry it that way. I didn't put anything in the side pockets or anything like that. And then my keys are here on the back. And y'all, this is probably going to be considered more of a kind of sort of lazy switch out, because I'm going to be able to use the same accessories. Well, some of the same accessories, except for like the wallet and the wristlet. So I am going to use this wallet and wristlet. And let's see, I'll be able to continue using this one because that matches as well. That still matches. And this, so all I'm really switching out of is my wallet and my what I used as, this is a wristlet also, but I use it as a cosmetic pouch. And you all have seen this in previous videos before. So I'm going to switch into my wallet and I shall return. Alright, y'all, so I got everything switched over and I am finally moving into this Windsor Tasha drawstring bag. Before I put everything in, I did just kind of want to see what it looks like posing in front of it. I don't think this is, well, let's see. If I rearrange, and y'all, this little slim, it's not little, it's a large slim wristlet. It holds a lot, surprisingly. Everything that I had in this Coach wristlet here, everything fit except for like I had a permanent marker and then this lip gloss. This, I didn't put that in there. I just didn't want to overstuff it completely. As you see, it's pretty full, but it held everything that the other wristlet held except for that lip gloss and a permanent marker that I had. So let's just see how this looks. I think it all matches regardless of the silver there. I think that's gonna be just fine, y'all. And kind of sort of a cute picture, but not really. But let me go ahead and put everything inside, and then that way we can see how it fits. So actually doing two what fits today. What fits in the I did what fits in the large Coach Rowan, the maple Rowan, and then I'm going to see if the same items, or almost the same items, also fit inside of the Tasha drawstring bag, which it should. And y'all, I have decided that holiday handbags is not going to end in December. It's going to carry over into January. I think also a hashtag for January, I thought about like, what was it? Joyful January, where like you have like handbags that bring you joy. So I thought about that. I was like, I'm not sure about that hashtag. I thought about happy handbags, kind of like the same thing as Joyful January. That like the same thing where like handbags that make you happy or bring you joy. One for sure I know I want to include is winter white bags. So that will be one of the hashtags for January. If you have any bags that are quote unquote winter white, like off-white or ivory, even like the ivory Rowan, I would put that under winter white as well. So winter white bags, I think that's going to be a hashtag for January. In addition to the holiday handbags, it's going to continue on because it's still the holiday season, I think so. You got New Year's coming, and then winter just started at the end of December, so I think winter white handbags would be pretty good. Just to see if you all have any winter white bags or off-white, even the color bone in certain leathers, it looks winter white to me. But any ones that you probably have not pulled out or given any attention to, and I figured that the winter white bags hashtag winter white bags would be a good one as well for January. So that's where I kind of am on that. So holiday handbags will continue. Winter white bags will be a hashtag. And then either happy handbags or joyful January, could be a hashtag as well. We'll see. That's a lot of hashtags, but it'll at least be 2 or 3. But this is what fits in the Tasha. Everything I really had in the large Coach Rowan fit in here just fine. And as with the drawstring, y'all know it's a bucket bag, so it's to me it's one of the easiest or smoothest carries that you can carry, because everything kind of fits in there. Even though they do have inserts or organizers for bucket bags as well, I'm good without it. And I usually kind of carry it open like that. Unless I'm in a store, then I will. I'm pretty self-conscious about keeping it closed and tightly under my arm like that. So y'all, and I did go ahead and put my usual chain on the back. It just felt a little naked back there without it, so I did put that on there. And I have my duck charm I'm going to put on. And I have another little cute charm that I'm going to see how it looks on here. Excuse me. That I got from Amazon. That I thought was too cute. And I'm going to see how it looks on here, y'all. And anything that you all want to see, if you want the link for it or something like that, let me know. And I will include it in the description. But y'all, look at this little blinged out teddy bear. I thought this was so cute. So let me see how this... Oh, I didn't know the arms move. How cute. Oh my goodness, that's super cute. And I usually take these off, y'all, because it does make an extra noise together. I'm not going to use it as a keychain. So let me do that now. Okay, so I got the little keychain loop off. And let's see how it looks on here, where I should put it. I think that's cute. I think I'll put it over here because I think I'm going to put my little hummingbird on the other side. Or, well, let me see. I need to take the little, oh no, it's off. And this matches my little kiss lock. And y'all, got, like I said, I got a lot of this off of most of everything off of Amazon. I found this on Amazon. Isn't that cute, y'all? I think I got them separate at 2 different times, but I was like, oh, they match. Cuteness. Okay, let me see. I think I'll put this one over here. No, I like it better hanging like that. Let's see how it looks when I close it. So, or should I swap? I think I'm gonna swap them. Put the hummingbird over with the duck and the bear to the other side. And I think I'm gonna also put the little strap on the back as well. It matches, and I just might use it. My let me get my shoulder strap. Yeah, that's gonna be cute, y'all. But that's it, y'all. So I'm glad I did a 2-for-1. I did a what fits in the large Coach Rowan and what fits in the Tasha. Also showed how the organizer works in the large Coach Rowan versus not having an organizer in it. Let me know, you all, in the comments if you prefer the organizer or not. And also, as far as like a silhouette, do you prefer the barrel satchel or a drawstring? Or if, like I do, kind of like to go in between both of them and carry the whichever one when you want to, should I say. But that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. It's almost 2025, y'all. This year just flew by. It went by, to me, it went by pretty quickly. But yeah, I've enjoyed it, y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. And again, thank you so much for watching. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.